Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. In this video, I'm going to show you just a short introduction of yourself in Igbo language. Now, I'm going to try something different. I'll try to put an actual conversation at the end of the video so that you can see how this is used in real life. Alright, so keep watching. Ndewo. Gịnị bụ aha gị? Aha m bụ Woni. Kedu maka gị? Aha m bụ Oluchi. Afọ ole ka ị dị? Adị m 28. Kedu maka gị? Adị m 29. Ọ dị mma. Gịnị bụ ọrụ gị? Abụ m onye nkuzi. Kedu maka gị? Ana m ere ahịa. Ọ dị mma. Ka emesịa. Ka ọ dị. Thanks so much for watching. I hope that really helped you. Remember to pause and repeat, because the more you practice, the more you will learn. If you need me to be slower, I'll try to do that. Let me know in the comment section. And is there anything else you want to learn in Igbo? Please let me know and I'll do it for you. Alright, remember to like and share if the video helped you. Okay? See you next week. I'll have another lesson for you next week. Bye.